Welcome to Video Service Information. Here we're looking at a 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe with a 3.3 engine in it. Customers complaining of an engine knock. Looked at the oil condition. Engine oil was slightly low, but condition was still pretty good. And we fired up the engine and heard a lower end rod knock. Sounded like a spun bearing. No signs of abuse to the vehicle, no signs of overheating. Checked for leaks and we didn't see any external leaks. Just an internal mechanical failure, most likely rod bearings. We recommend to just replace the engine due to vehicle having high mileage. This vehicle had over 100,000 miles. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.